This is Luxor Click Rite Plus mechanical pencil. This pencil comes with 0.7 mm tip. This is a plastic pencil but with a free lid box at the price of rupees 15 is a value for money product from Luxor. So it is from the brand Luxor, so we expect some good and nice build quality from the brand. The box looks similar to various boxes which is given by the brands, and they are giving a lead box free and at a price of rupees 15. That means the pencil will cost you at rupees 10 and the lead box will cost you rupees 5. Yes, nice look, like nice looks for students. Their design, the design is for the students, some mathematical symbols there, a nice look. It's having a rubber or eraser at the top, and the way the lid can be inserted too, and the blue theme here denotes that this pencil will come in multi colors, at least 5 colors in a pack. Comes with your metallic nose and the rubberized grip. Yes, it is a nice rubberized grip to hold, but the fit and finish of this pencil is not up to the mark of Luxor. Let's check the writing impression. The color of the black, that is the shade color, is not very dark while compared with other Camlin lids. So 0.7 mm, a nice feel while writing because of its rubberized grip, but the strength of the lid is not up to the mark. It may break up if we hard press at some times, but the pencil's fit and finish is not up to the mark. And but at this price point, rupees 15, it is a normal pencil we can expect from your brand. Altogether a nice pencil at this price point, rupees 15, with some flaws, but with this price point, rupees 15, it is a value for money product. Thanks for watching.